Klinefelter Syndrome. Introduction. Can women get Klinefelter syndrome? Select yes or no. Correct. Klinefelter syndrome happens only in men. Is Klinefelter syndrome an inherited condition? Select yes or no. Correct. Doctors are not sure what causes the extra X chromosome in some males. It seems to happen by chance. Nearly all men with Klinefelter syndrome are infertile. Select true or false. Correct. The most common symptom of Klinefelter syndrome is infertility. Having Klinefelter syndrome raises the risk for which of the following health complications? Choose one of the following options. 1. Certain types of cancer. 2. Autoimmune disorders. 3. Heart diseases. 4. All of the above. Correct. Can Klinefelter syndrome be cured with testosterone replacement therapy? Select yes or no. Correct. There is no cure for Klinefelter syndrome, but treatment can reduce symptoms and prevent complications. Thank you for using Explain.